Just resting my eyes. Letters A to Z. Sing the alphabet with me. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. We made it all the way to Z. Let's hooray on the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. Woo-hoo, hooray! We made it all the way to Z. Let's hooray on the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. Woo-hoo, hooray! Woo-hoo! Numbers 1 to 20. 1 owl, 2 owls, 3 owls, 4, 5 owls, 6 owls. Wait, there's more. 7 owls, 8 owls, 9 owls, 10. Count them with me. Ready? Begin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Hooray! Woo. Counting starts with 1, 2, 3. Can you please count to 10 with me? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Woohoo! Good job! 1 owl, 2 owls, 3 owls, 4, 5 owls, 6 owls. Wait, there's more. 7 owls, 8 owls, 9 owls, 10. Count them with me. Ready? Begin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 little owls sitting in a tree. Here come more. Keep counting them with me. 11 owls, 12 owls, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Woo-wee! 18, 19, 20 owls in the tree. 20 little owls. What a sight to see! Who's counting? We are. Let's count to 10. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Woo-hoo, hooray! 1 owl, 2 owls, 3 owls, 4, 5 owls, 6 owls. Wait, there's more. 7 owls, 8 owls, 9 owls, 10. Count them with me. Ready? Begin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Hooray! You can use words to let people know how you're feeling. Happy, sad, excited, mad. Feelings have names. Woohoo! I'm feeling happy. You can see it in my face, can't you? Make a face that shows me how you're feeling. I'm feeling sad. Sometimes I don't even know why I feel sad, but that's okay. Sometimes just talking about my feelings helps me feel better. I am so excited! It feels like I'm flying! Woohoo! I'm mad. Sometimes when I'm mad, I take a deep breath and slowly count to 5. It helps me feel better. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Woohoo! It worked. I feel less mad already. Woohoo! I just love surprises, don't you? Woohoo! Woohoo! I don't like to feel scared. It scary. Knowing you're here with me helps me feel better. Thank you for being such a good friend. Let's get silly. Do a silly dance and make silly faces. Woohoo! I'm feeling happy. You can see it in my face, can't you? Make a face that shows me how you're feeling. Sunny, rainy, snowy, windy. What's the weather? Hey, hey. Let's look out the window before I fly today. It's sunny. Owls are nocturnal animals. That means we stay awake all night and we sleep during the day. That sounds like rain. I can't fly in the rain. Owl feathers aren't waterproof. It's snowing! It's snowing! It must be very cold. I don't mind cold weather. My feathers keep me warm. Ooh. Sunny, rainy, snowy, windy. What's the weather? Hey, hey. Let's look out the window before I fly today. That's the calendar. The calendar shows all 7 days of the week. Days of the week. Days of the week. There's Sunday and there's Monday. There's Tuesday and there's Wednesday. There's Thursday and there's Friday. And then there's Saturday. Yay! The calendar shows all 12 months of the year. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. 12 months in a year. That's the calendar. The calendar shows all 7 days of the week. Who's ready to play? Hoo-hoo, hoo-hoo. Hello, friends. How are you today? Are you ready to play? Let friendship light the way. Laughing, learning each and every day. Together as we play the Linkimals way. Orange, blue, red, and green. Purple, yellow, and pink. It's a colorful world, and we're colorful friends. We're colorful, colorful friends. Hello, friends. How are you today? Are you ready to play? Let friendship light the way. Laughing, learning each and every day. Together as we play the Linkimals way. Orange, blue, red, and green. Purple, yellow, and pink. It's a colorful world, and we're colorful friends. We're colorful, colorful friends. Guess what? There are lots of different kinds of owls, and they make lots of different sounds. Some owls hoot, like I do. Woo, woo. Some owls bark, like a dog. Woo, woo. Owls are birds. We have a beak, feathers, wings, and very strong toes called talons. Owls eat so many things, bugs and worms, mice and other small animals. Some owls even eat fish. hoot like I do. Some owls rattle or hiss like a snake. Owls have huge eyes that help us see in the dark. Owls are very quiet flyers. Our wings don't make noise. Woo-hoo! Not all owls hoot like I do. Some owls whistle like humans can. Baby owls are called owlets. Aww. That's so cute. Owls can turn their heads almost all the way around. There are lots of different kinds of owls, and they make lots of different sounds. Some owls hoot like I do. Woo, woo. Some owls bark like a dog.